Hi Wellham fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And we have got another Loz Build mini street. It's an ice cream parlour.
Yay!
I do love myself some ice cream. Right, I'm just trying to see. Right, this I believe, because it says one of two, but this is one that it's one of four. It's the same as the octopus one that I did.
Yeah.
But, you know, I don't know why they do two. I think they must bring out two at a time. But
Probably, yeah.
Then they do two, and then they'll do another two for that series.
Yeah.
Don't understand. There you go. Who cares? It looks so good. So let's have a look.
How many pieces?
Oh,
It's on the front of the box.
it's on the front of the box. He's right. Age +6. That should be just about alright. 668 pieces.
Hey.
So, scissors. Best be careful, they're sharp ones. Alright. Let's see what we've got here. Right, we
That
have
looks quite empty.
got... That's bag 9, even though it looks like it's bag 6. It quite clearly says 9 there. So that's just odd.
See?
So,
Let's see that this end. Oh, it's not a lot in this one.
I don't know, it's pretty packed, love.
Yeah, that was the last one was full to the
4.
brim.
I know. 1, 2,
Blank 4.
7.
7.
That way. 5. Should we pop that off?
Yeah.
Whoop. 3.
Yeah. So
So we've got 1, 2,
2
3,
or 5.
4. That isn't a 9, it's a 6.
Should be 6
Oh, hang
and 8.
on. Hang on. No. 5. There.
Yeah.
Right. 6.
6.
7.
7. 8. Should be.
It is 8. 9.
9.
So yeah, there are less bags than we had in the other
Yeah.
one. Plus, so I've got little bits of treats for the hamsters down there. Got a full wallop of scissors. Quite a long.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Card. Display.
No, overhang material.
Canopy.
That's it. Yeah.
If you want, yeah.
Alright, so I won't show you too much, but let's have a look and see. Yeah, so this is typical for these Loz ones.
Yeah.
They have the pieces on the back.
If you go to the front, it should have bags as well. It should have bag 1 and 2, bag whatever,
Yes, usually.
1 and 3.
But
bag
what I'll
8
probably do is
9
get
bag.
the pieces sorted this time. Because I just seem to be,
Yeah,
yeah,
bag
it
1
does.
and 2.
So you can do,
Yeah.
like I did the last time, I did bag 1 and 2.
And then the next one may say bag 1 and 3 because we have some left over.
or
1, 3 and 9.
I'm getting all the pieces sorted first. There's only 3 pages of pieces anyway, so yeah, there will be a sorting on this. So in that case, let's get sorted. guys, so after sorting, which took,
3 hours 29 minutes.
and building, which took,
7 hours 3 minutes.
which is
10 hours 32 minutes in total.
didn't take too long actually. Although because I've been sleeping a lot,
It's taken a hell of a long time.
yeah. Right, so they're my leftovers,
Yeah,
and just a few stickers
yeah.
because I keep everything. You know me, guys. Right, so first of all, I've got to show you this.
Is that
It's a little cat kennel.
Oh, it's a cat kennel.
It's a cat kennel. It's a little kitty. I love the wood effects sticker that goes all the way around. I also like the striped roof. I know you saw a bit of this build, but I purposely held back a little bit. Right, so you ready?
Yeah.
Yay! He's so cute. I thought I'd show you closed first, because just simply it was closed, so.
Yeah.
So, majorly gorgeous little ice cream sundae there.
Yeah.
And then you've got your little bucket with, I don't really know what they are. Unripened cherries, maybe? I don't know. I love this, though. You've got the freezer with like your thermometer bit. You've got your umbrella and whatnot.
Yeah.
So you've got your door here. You've got all your advertising bits. Little plant by the door. I love the way this goes, actually, into a double window sort of bit. It actually looks like one of those ones that you could slide open and buy Mr. Yeah. You go around here, and this seems to contain ice. That's what it looked like anyway.
Yeah.
You've obviously got a box of goodies down there. There's really cute Sunday sign as well. And that little scoop. That's so cute. This was quite good. It's actually held it really, really well doing it like this.
Yeah.
So I was quite impressed by that. And then you've got the different ice creams that are available, drinks. Somebody's left their cash on there. Come round. And again, you've got another serving window bit. You've got your flowers that are a bit higgledy-piggledy. So, if I open... Woo! If I put that back on there... Oh, higgledy-piggledy, poppity-poo. Pull you please go back on there. Woohoo. Yay. Yeah, I think you're sort of on. Right, so, yeah. It's working out. There we go. Right. Okay. So, there you've got what it looks like for the major front. You've also got a door here that opens. However, I will show you on the inside why I think the door placement's a bit peculiar, or what they've put in here.
Well, the table behind it.
Yeah. No.
No?
No. They decided to put their plants, a pot of flowers there. So, we've got a nice little restaurant bit up top.
Yeah.
Then you've got a sink with your tap. Some sauce of some sort, maybe, hand soap, I don't know. And then this side, it's just showing you the different types available of juices and sauces and all that jazz. Then you've got our little lady in there. Also, there's scales to this side with a clock. If I turn that like that, you might be able to see it. Can you see it?
I don't know. You may be able to see it on the film, but I don't know.
And this I love, because it's like a little Mr. Whipping machine.
Yeah.
Which, again, you would have seen when it was being put together anyway.
Yeah.
But and you've got our lady there that's serving.
Yeah.
I've got to say, actually, I thought this was going to be one of the more sort of niche, or I didn't think I was going to find it just as good as the others, basically.
Yeah.
Which is one of the reasons it was one of the later ones that I bought. It still looks super fun, and I really wanted to do it, but I don't know whether it's because I consider like an ice cream shop to be normal, which is a bit strange when you consider we're in the UK and actually there's not a great deal of shops that are dedicated to ice cream. I would say more's the pity, but I can't get out anyway, so, make do with cart door.
Seafront.
Yes, you'd get them around seafront areas.
No, we've got one on our seafront.
Oh, have we?
Yes. Sunday Central.
Yes, but I don't get out. How would I know? But yeah, I love all the little detail bits in these shop builds, I must admit. I think they're absolutely fabulous. So yeah, another one to add to our collection. They're like little dolls' houses almost, aren't they? Right, so I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. It was really fun to make. It would have been nice to be conscious to take more sort of what's going on, but you can't have everything. But yeah, super fun. Oh, excuse me, I've been up for at least 2 hours, so I must be tired. But yeah, super cute. Right, so what did you guys think anyway? And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also check you are still subscribed, because there's always playing around on YouTube, you never know. And all that leaves me to say now, after saying "and" 15 times in a row, is be different, a very merry unhoo-hoo, and it's got to be a kitten kennel boop.